So generate your own flying video. I believe I can fly. Okay, the video will look like this for mobile browser. No app, no PC required. Okay, so first you come to this page and select Pixverse option over here. Okay, this is the model we are using, and then type should be all, and then you simply tap on this. You will find start frame options. Here you need to upload your own image. Okay, with just you take a nice photo, and durations up to 5 seconds, 720p AI generation music, or you can select none if you want, and then you can generate it. Okay, so very simple step process, actually 2-step. Upload the image and simply select those options and generate it. Okay, you can always chat with these experts completely for free for any help you need, starting from business consultations, okay, writing, anything you have, they will guide you properly. And watch our existing tutorials, give it a like. Take care, bye bye.